Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Mr. Charles Juan. My name is Maria Ana R. Seguin, together with Nashley Carril Castillo. For our research title, The Impact of Social Media, the Mental Health of Second-Year College Student of Jesus Reign Christian College, Academic Year 2024-2025. And for the overview, first is abstract, introduction, statement of the problem, background of the study and methodology, result and discussion, summary and conclusion, summary and findings, and conclusions, and for the last is references. For our abstract, adolescents increasingly find it difficult to feature their lives without social media. Practitioners need to be able to assist risk, and social media may be a new component to consider, although there is a limited empirical evidence to support the claim. The perspective of the link between social media and mental health is heavily influenced by teenager and professional perspectives. Privacy concerns, cyberbullying, and bad effects on schooling and mental health are all risks associated with the population usage of social media. However, ethical social media use can expand opportunities for connection and conversation, as well as boost self-esteem, promote health, and gain access to critical medical information. Despite increasing evidence regarding the negative impact of social media on the mental health of adolescents, there is empirical work that falls short in comprehending how adolescents view social media, especially as a body of knowledge, and how they can utilize further contemporary media discourses in an effect to represent themselves. Teens use cell phones and other media in bulk quantities, leading to sleep deprivations with an adverse effect on cognitive functioning, academic performance, and socio-emotional adaptation. In support, evidence from numerous cross-sectional, individual, and empirical research indicates that teenage smart and social media use is associated with the enhancement of mental distress, self-harming behaviors, and suicidal. Clinicians can use young people and families to decrease risk of the social media and smartphone use with the use of non-judgmental, open, developmentally sensitive techniques such as education and practical problem solving. This study examined the relationship between social media and mental health of second-year college student of Jesus Reign Christian College. The student employed a descriptive correlational design with a total of 106 college respondents through a survey, and the questionnaires was adapted from another study and was utilized by the researchers. The study revealed that there is a significant relationship between social media and mental health. In addition, the result of this study proves that there is a significant relationship between social media and mental health of the second-year college students at Jesus Reign Christian College in academic year 2024-2025. For introduction, in America, depression is more dominant than ever, as reported by the National Institute of Mental Health in 2023. 1 out of 5 adults suffer from mental illness, and nearly 11.3% of adolescents are affected by several depression episodes. In contrast to NIMH reported information, social media has proven to the profound negative effect of existing mental condition of younger demographics, which makes matter worse when coupled with an inactive lifestyle. Youth having unrested access to social media platform further accelerates this trend. Reasoning to support the troubling increase in this depression include the exhaustion brought about by growing economic and social pressures, combined with the excessive screen time allowed for the consuming social media content. Furthermore, this puts forth an argument that social media should have set restrictions on its availability for a number of age groups. Young people's increasing realize on social media has changed the way they perceive themselves and their surroundings. 2017 argues that numerous means of the social media are one of the leading contributors to rising adolescent suicide rates. The American Academy of Pediatrics warned that media use and screen time are linked with relevant risks for children and adolescents. This includes the attention deficits. This includes that attention deficits, heightened aggressions, low self-esteem, and depression. American College of Pediatricians 2020. Also, American Psychological Association APA 2024 highlights the relationship between overuse of social media and the mental health status in adolescents. This is to investigate what would be impact of social media on mental health of study, particularly those in college in Jesus Reign Christian College. For a statement of the problem, the aim of the study is to determine the impact of social media on mental health of second-year college students at Jesus Reign Christian College, school year 2024-2025, and how it affects their academic performance. So this research needs to answer the following question. What is the demographic profile of the participant in terms of age, sex, and year course? And how does social media affect the mental health of the respondents? It is a significant relationship between social media and mental health of second-year college student of Jesus Reign Christian College. For null and alternative hypothesis, these hypotheses were tested at age sub A. There is a significant relationship between overload and academic performance. Age sub O, there is no significant relationship between academic overload and academic performance. For scope delimitation of the study, the researchers are interested and eager to know more about social media impact on mental health. The main goal of this research is to gather all of the accurate information that will assist all second-year college in Jesus Reign Christian College students in understanding the benefits and drawbacks of how social media impacts the mental health of students. This research will be conducted at Jesus Reign Christian College. The respondents in the student are second-year college students from different courses. The researcher will be used survey questionnaire through Google Form to gather the information from the respondents. For significance of the study, this study shows how social media impact the student mental health. The researcher critical outcomes could be extremely significant and beneficial to the following. This study will be help students become more aware of the effects of excessive social media on their mental health. Furthermore, this will be served as a guidance to them to be extra cautious of the stress that comes with social media. For parents, this study will provide information to parents about the possible effects of social media on their children's mental health. The study aims to elaborate on parent understanding and prayer knowledge. It will shed light on their minds as to how they will give them more support to make it balanced. To future researchers, the ideas presented here can be used as reference data in the future or a guide if there are similarities in their topics. For background of the study, everyone regardless of age, gender, and background has made social media part of their daily lives, communicating with each other and sharing information on Facebook and Instagram or Twitter to keep up the news and events. The social media phenomenon has many advantages from increased social connection to information access, but its effects on mental health has raised concern among the different sectors of social media. It was pointed out that using the online platform accounts for many mental health outcomes of anxiety, depression, and feeling of loneliness. The secret to this is social comparison that happens on social media, where individuals compare how they live to idealized version of life that someone else present online. Equal evidence point to its positive effects on mental health. For example, social media can be a social support system in cases of being socialized, isolated, or marginalized. So instead of living the negative effects, individual of such status can live positively with the benefits available there. With the benefits and drawbacks of social media use for mental health, understanding how these effects are mediated mediated. How these effects are mediated will be useful. This study will then look into the relationship between social media use and mental health outcomes. Focusing on social comparison, hopefully this will give rise to further clarification of social media mental health use and benefits, and provide insights for preventive and prevention strategic policy making of healthy social media use. A theoretical framework according to media dependency theory introduced by Ball, Brakhage, and DeFleur in 1976, which emphasized the individual develop varying degrees of dependence of the media based on their needs and discernible ability of the media in meeting such needs. According to this theory, once individuals are independent upon the media of information, social interaction, or emotional support, their psychological well-being in under control. Kim 2020 argued the media dependency theory proposed increased media dependency under stress and uncertainty. Students have a high degree of dependency on communications and become integral part of their psychological well-being. Overuse of social media of social comparison and self-preparation has been linked with increased stress and anxiety and to decreased self-esteem. Additionally, Ren and Tetchy 2017 argue that because of the overuse of social media is the reason for increased psychological distress, particularly if posting bad news of social media interaction makes you feel insufficient. Based on media dependency theory, this social aim to examine the extent to which students' dependency influence their media health. Examining the relationship between social media dependency and mental health effects will be helpful in knowing the way students use virtual environments, and also the way excessive dependency leads to under-controlled stress and anxiety levels. This methodology, the research approach used in the study, is presented in the chapter. It covered the research design, the sample size, the instrument utilized, the method used, and the time frame for data collection, validation, analysis, and statistical processing of the data. The research design of researcher is correlational research design, which is a category of descriptive research design under the non-experimental research design. Correlation does not tell you anything about causations, which is a mistake frequently made when interpreting the result of the analysis. Sum of variables, time available to study, relevance of the mental data, job, etc. Probably explain the relationship, and in order to interpret the result of analysis, we need to know context, and correlation only tells you that a relationship exists. In there is a crucial relationship. Holton and Brunet 2005. This design is appropriate for exploring problems about the relationship between contract dimensions, and item on ISTAL. Cohen-West, and ICANN 2003. This research used a correlational research design to investigate the relationship the two variables without manipulating them. This kind of research design reflects the strength and duration of the relationship between the variables. The direction of the research design can be possible or negative. Researchers gathered the needed data with the use of questionnaire and surveys without manipulated interference. The researchers focus on focuses on the present conditions and measures the data that already exists, and the respondents only consist of a small group of people. Researchers are able to distinguish are the impact between social media and mental health of college students by gathering their age, sex, and year courses using survey. The purpose of this research is to know how social media affect the mental health of students. It will show some factors that also affects the students when it comes to studying. Table 1. The population of second-year college students in Jesus Reign Christian College, school year 2024-2025. Year, male, female, total. So for course education, male is 6, female is 26, the total is 32. For the BSA Psychology, male is 18, female is 18, the total is 36. For the course is BSBA, male 10, female 28, the total is 38. Course of IT, male is 21, female is 17, the total is 38. For all the total, male is 55, female is 89, the total is 144. The table 1 shows the population of second-year college students in Jesus Reign Christian College for the academic year 2024-2025. The population of the respondents have a total of 144 students. Simple and sample techniques. The research paper determined the impact of social media on the mental health of second-year college students in Jesus Reign Christian College. It will also show how the media dependency theories relates. The total participants of this research paper are 106 college students in the school year 2024-2025. The researchers used the stratified random sampling techniques, wherein the participants are selected according to the gender and the objective of this study. Since the objective of this research is to determine the impact of social media on second-year college students, the participants of this research were choosing according to its courses. For the table 2 is the stratified sample of the respondents for second-year college in Jesus Reign Christian College school year 2024-2025. For education, population is 32, percentage 22.22%, sample is 23. BA Psychology, population 36, percentage 25%, sample is 27. BSBA, population 38, percentage is 26.39%, sample is 28. For IT, population 38, percentage 26.39%, sample is 28. The population is 144, the percentage is 100%, the sample is 106. The table 2 shows the second-year college students have a population of 144 students through the use of Sloven formula, which determines how many samples will be used in the study. To compute sample size for the respondents was 106 students out of the total population of 144 students, with a margin of error of 0.05. For research instrument pertain to any tool that you can utilize to collect or gather data, measure data, and evaluate data of a research. This research is ineffective without the instrument. It determines the accuracy of result of studies. With that in mind, the researchers decided to use a questionnaire adapted from Stretcha-M and Adhikari-S titled Impact of Social Media Usage of Mental Health Among College Student Pattern, Psychological Effects, and Implementation for Well-Being. The researchers and interested in discovered the impact of social media on the mental health of students. The questionnaire consists of 10 questions about the impact of social media in mental health of second year college student in Jesus Reign Christian College. We use the recognitive type of gathering the demographic profile of the respondents. The scale used is the 4-point like scale: 1 for degree, 2 for strongly disagree, 3 for agree, and 4 for strongly agree. The questionnaire was chosen due to the sample distribution, and respondents can properly fill out their replies. It is also a cost-effective technique to collect the necessary data. All of the research interview questions hit the phenomenological This phenomenological investigation investigate where credible the research questions will be tested on respondents, allowing them to effectively and easily answer the question. It is written and posted in English, so students may express freely and in the language they are most acquainted with. Statistical treatment: all the data that the researchers gathered from the respondent were summarized and analyzed through the use of percentage, weighted mean, and person R. So percentage, the researcher used the percentage distributions in order to identify the statistical data of the respondents. P is a percentage, F is frequency, and N the total number of the respondents. Number 2 is weighted mean. This is the tool that the researcher used to identify the impact of social media on the mental health of the students in Jesus Reign Christian College. For the W is weight, W is weight, F is frequency, N is the total number of respondents. Summation, WM is weighted mean. For the 3 is person R, to determine if there was a significant relationship between the social media and the mental health of second-year college students of the Jesus Reign Christian College. This tool was used is N the number of peer of score, X sum of X score, sum of Y scores, and sum of product of peer score, sum of square X scores, sum of square Y score. The compute of value of Pearson R was interpreted using 0.05 level of significances.
Result and discussion. This chapter presents the statistical analysis of the gathered data, which aim to determine the impact of social media of the mental health of second year at Jesus Reign Christian College. Demographic profile of the student. Table 1. Show the frequency and percentage distribution of the student profile in terms of sex. As shown of the table, the male frequency has 49 with a percentage of 44, and the female frequency has 59 with a percentage of 56. For the total of 106 frequencies, it has total of 100%. Table 2. Show the frequency and percentage distribution of student age group. As shown in the table, the student age of 21 to 23 has a frequency of 18 with a percentage of 17, and the student age of 18 to 20 has frequency of 88 with percentage of 83%, for the total of 106 frequency of the total of 100%. In Table 3, show the frequency and percentage distribution of the student term of section. As shown in the table, education has frequency of 23 with a percentage of 22.22%. Psychology has frequency of 27 with a percentage of 25%. And section IT has frequency of 28 with a percentage of 26.39%. Section BSA has a frequency of 28 with a percentage of 26.39%. for the total of 106 frequency with a percentage of 100%. The respondent strongly disagree with comparing myself to other. While scrolling through social media, if my friends stop using certain social media site, I will stop also using that certain site. The majority of them agree with the interpretation. Have you ever had a mood change? for something you view online? Would you consider yourself addicted to social media? Have you ever diagnosed with anxiety or depression by a mental health professional? Social media use interface with normal day at work or recreational activities. Social media affect my ability to sleep. Socializing face-to-face is happening less since joining social media. If all my friends are on their phone when out together, I will be on my phone as well. I feel scared without any good reason. The often grant-weighted means 2.55, which means that the term of the impact of social media on the mental health of the second-year student, they got agree. This means that our responded are experienced mental health problems. Relationship between social media and mental health. Table 4 represent the correlation between social media and mental health of the student. As shown above, the computed in the term of impact of social media gets 0.103 with tabular of value 0.087 with a decision of rejecting HO, interpreting if it's not significant. It implies that there is a significant relationship between social media and the mental health of the student. Summary and conclusion. This chapter presents the summary of the student, significance finding, conclusion based on the data gathered from the questionnaires, answered by the respondent, and recommendation that may emphasize the impact of social media on the student's mental health. Summary and findings. This study was conducted to determine the relationship between social media and mental health for the second-year college student at Jesus Reign Christian College, academic year 2024 to 2025. The research design used in descriptive research design with correlational techniques. These results were measured by taking percentage, weighted mean, and the person of significance. This study answered the following specific question. What is demographic profile of the student in terms of sex? The male frequency has a total of 47 and a total of 59 for the female responded. A total of 106 frequency, it implies that majority of the responded are female. Next is age. The student age group have a 88 frequency for the age of 18 to 20 and the frequency of 18 for the age of 21 to 23, a total of 106. Year and course. The student of second-year college per course, Bachelor of Elementary Education and Bachelor of Major in English, has the frequency of 23. Bachelor of Arts in Psychology has frequency of 27. Bachelor of Information Technology has the frequency of 28. Bachelor of Science and Business Administration has the frequency of 28, for a total of 106 frequency. How does social media affect of mental health of the respondent? The majority of second-year college students have a high interpretation, which implies the social media has an impact on the mental health of the student with a grant-weighted means of 2.55. Is there a significant relationship between social media and mental health? There is a significant relationship between social media and mental health of the second-year student. Conclusion. After thorough analysis and discussion of data, the researchers have found out that there is a significant relationship between social media and mental health of the second-year student at Jesus Reign Christian College. This conclusion. After thorough analysis and discussion of data, the researchers have found out that there is a significant relationship between social media and mental health of the second-year college student at Jesus Reign Christian College. The result of this study proves Bolkrocki and Delfleur, 1976, media deficiency theory, which state that their psychology health can become increasingly affected by what they encounter from the content and interaction of the media. Also, according to Rain and Techzi, 2017, over-reliance on social media has the potential to cause heightened psychological distress, particularly when viewed content, such as bad news or feeling inadequacy in social media interaction, increased stress and anxiety. The excessive use of social media negative impact to the student mental health that might lead to mental health illness. Reference: Muhammad A. Johar, M. Ali, Nam Karamudun, MKA Karim M. Badarila, and Fudam Alp Science, 2018. Kim H.H. Int. J. Adolescent Youth, 2017. Karim F. Oyamande, A.A. Abala L. Chaudhry Sanulula, Arkan S. Juarez, 2020. Twend and Campbell, 2018. Mojadabay et al., 2016. American College of Pediatrician, 2020. American Psychological Association, 2023. Kim Y.C., 2020. Media System Deficiencies Theory, the International Encyclopedia of Media Psychology, 3170.
And that's all for our research defense. Thank you so much po.